Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game actually supports cross-platform play and that your platform account can be linked. Once done, make sure your Xbox One is fully updated and you are signed into Xbox Live. Next, go into the game settings immediately and find the crossplay toggle. Turn it on. While enabling it, check any account link prompts. You may need to enter credentials for the other platform. This first step unlocks the rest of the repair process. You now move to network and configuration details that commonly block crossplay. Start by power cycling the Xbox and your router, then use a wired Ethernet cable if possible. This reduces NAT issues. Make sure NAT is open via UPnP or port forwarding for the game's required ports. Once network stability is confirmed, open the game and link or relink your platform account from its account menu. You finish by restarting the game and testing crossplay with a friend, send an invite, or join their lobby. If crossplay remains disabled, clear the alternate MAC address on Xbox, restore network settings, and then relink accounts to force fresh authentication. Also check Xbox Live and the game developer's server status. Sometimes the issue is server-side. If problems persist, reboot router with a factory restart as a last resort. Then retry the link and crossplay toggle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.